In this video, I'm going to show you how to view multiple pages in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you'll need, of course, is multiple pages. Here I have 3 of them. As you can see, if I go to thumbnails, one is this one, and then 2 of them are blank, but it's going to be okay for this video tutorial. Now, to do that, to actually view multiple pages at once, you want to go to the bottom left here, and you can click on either split vertical, or you could do split horizontal. So I'm going to show you what both of these do. I'm going to do split vertical first, and this is going to split these vertical. As you can see, you can go ahead and move them to actually make one bigger or smaller. And then if you want to change the page, simply click on either this one or this one, and whenever that's selected, down here at the bottom, you can just go ahead and select the page. For example, let's say I want to view page 2 over here. I'm going to move this over here like that. There we go. And then let's say I want to see another one. I could do, for example, split horizontal here, and as you can see, it's going to pop up a separate one. I can go ahead and select whichever one I want, and then you can just go within these, and of course you can split and basically view as many pages as you want in here, just like that, and then selecting whichever one shows. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.